Hi, my name is Renisimin Ranki Daling, 34 years old. I finished my primary education at Tagbilaran City Central Elementary School in the year 2004 in the province of Bohol, Philippines. I finished my high school studies at Dr. Cecilio Putong National High School in the year 2008. I took up Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics at Holy Name University and graduated in the year 2012. I also finished my postgraduate studies taking up Master of Arts in Education with the thesis title School-Based Management Level of Practice and Challenges Among Public Secondary Schools and Action Plan at Bohol Island State University, Clarin Campus. I decided to become a mathematics teacher. It's because I love the subject. And also I was inspired by my teachers back in high school on how the way they taught us. Learning mathematics for most of the students is very hard. But for me, it does not tells us that it's very hard. Why? Because mathematics only requires more attention. For me, I wanted to teach my students that mathematics is not a hard subject. I wanted to turn their frustrations into satisfaction. That's why I provide my students with strategies that would cater the needs of my learners. Also, I am inspired by every student that I have in my classes. After the school ends, they will always tell me, "Sir, thank you for changing my mindset regarding the subject." Also, my principal and my immediate supervisor commended on my strategy in teaching mathematics, in which I engage my learners not just in the school classroom but also outside the community. Right now, we are in Australia. We decided to come here to fulfill my wife's dream to study Certificate 4 of Kitchen Management and Diploma in Hospitality. It was a big decision for us because leaving our profession was not easy. But for our dreams to come true, we have to make major sacrifices. That's why we came here in Australia. At first, we were very skeptical. We don't know what will happen to us here or whether we will be fulfilled and satisfied in coming here. But to our surprise, we are very, very happy and we are very, very thankful. Why? Because the people were so welcoming. It was then we learned the culture of Australia. Even though there are different nationalities and races here, we are we felt very welcomed. From being told, "Have a good one, how are you, mate? All good." Those were the things that at first for us was very new, but later on became common to us, and we had adapted as well. To the very, 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 very beautiful landscape in Western Australia, to the white sand dunes in Lancelin, to the spectacle, magnificent rocks in the pinnacles, and the blue waters in Margaret River. We were so amazed. Australia has offered us one of the best memories in our lives, and we will forever cherish it. This time that my wife had finished her studies, we are now waiting for our new visa. Hopefully, at this time, in my application also as a teacher for Western Australia, I'll be able to be given a chance to teach Australian students. With my expertise, I am very much confident that I'll be able to contribute to the learning environment here in Australia. Thank you so much and have a good day.